Hey up, my name is Jamie. Good morning. And we're out for a lovely, another nice early morning mooch. We're going back to revisit another place today. We're going back to Halicki Waterfall. Woo! Now, as I just said, we are going back. I put a video up before of the Shelf Hall Park. I'll put a card on screen and for that video, and you can also find it in my local places playlist. And it had the added little bonus of a beautiful waterfall at the end of it, which I thought was absolutely amazing. However, it turns out through comments that I've had through YouTube and Facebook that I actually missed the main waterfall and I only caught the little tiny small one. So we're going back today. It is a bit flooded, so we'll take a bit of a squelchy bit through this one. I missed the main waterfall apparently, so we're going to go back and have a look and see if we can find the main one. Now, there is a reason why I've come and I've chose today, because we've had some ungodly weather. It has been absolutely bucketing down for a few days, and we came out of the end of Storm Dara, so I thought, ooh, I bet that waterfall is should be quite impressive after all that rainfall. Now, it is windy today and it is bitingly cold this morning. It is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous this morning. This is the sort of weather that I like coming out for a walk in, because it's lovely and fresh and rejuvenating, and it just gives you a really good start to your day. A really good start. I would just like to say a very big thank you and hey up to all the new subscribers, and how do to all the old ones and to all the potential new ones. What are you doing sitting gawping at this screen? Huh? Click the little subscribe button below. It's free. We are well on the way now to 1,000 subs. Well on the way. So it's exciting news. But anyway, back to the mooch. So we have been down this track before, and so I know roughly where I'm going. There was some very detailed comments that I got on the YouTube video. I'll put them up on screen if I remember, which I'm sure I will do, and I'll put them up on screen for you now. And yeah, somebody very kindly gave me detailed instructions of exactly how to get to the main waterfall on the YouTube video, and then on the Facebook page that we've got for the Hippie Haddock where I work, somebody very kindly on there says as well, I can't believe you missed the main waterfall, you have to go back. So that's what we're doing today. We're going back. Wonderful. Oh no, that's up high. That was supposed to be the tree. There we go. Beautiful tree. Anyone would think it's my first rodeo, wouldn't they? It's funny that, because I've been doing a few lives recently, and they've been going really well. They've been really, really fun to do. And we're starting to build now a little bit of a community, which is wonderful. It's great. We're getting a lot of the same people and new ones coming into the lives, which is it's really good. Me and my best mate Dave, the angling giant, hello, we did a live the other night that was good. We're going to be doing some more of them where we do the lives together, and we're going to be doing a few gaming ones too, just to show that even how long in the tooth you get, you're never too old for a bit of gaming. Ever. And we go down this little path, so I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping with all the rainfall that the stream is going to be belting some, which would be really nice. Oh, I can't believe how fresh it is this morning. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm kind of looking forward to the frosty mornings, you know, when the wind drops a little bit, but it's still there with a little bit of a bite, but everything's nice and frosty and fresh, and I love them days. Don't get me wrong, I love the summer too. You can definitely go out a bit later at night for a little bit of a walk. Now, this time of year, it's all really about choosing breaks in the weather and trying to get out as quick as you can. But yeah, I can't recommend it enough. You know, in the morning, if you wake up and you're feeling a little bit lethargic and I can't really be bothered with my day, I think I'll just go back to bed. Try not to do that. You know, get some boots on, go for a little walk down a farm track and go see a wonderful waterfall, or just go around your local park, reservoir, nature reserve, something like that. That's coming up on a future video. There's one of my viewers has suggested some place to go in Elland, and so yeah, look out for that one. That's going to be coming very, very soon. And so yeah, thank you for that suggestion, Von Snoffen. It's that'll definitely be happening very soon, because there's a lot of history about that place too. Anyway, back to what we're doing today. We're going to be heading down the side of this farm and back down that field there. When we was here last time, there was an elderly gentleman walking through the field, and we stopped to have a chat with him for a little bit. And yeah, he was following the Bronte Way book. It's all the walk based around the Bronte sisters, very famous authors. If you don't know them, they wrote stuff like Wuthering Heights and all that. And luckily, I do actually have that book now. So when the weather clears up, I mean, it's clear today, but you know what I mean, when we can go out for a serious mooch, because the whole walk, if you did it all from beginning to end, it's about 63 miles long. So we're not going to be doing it all in one day, that's for sure. We'll be splitting it up into sections and seeing how we get on from there. So yeah, we're going to be following that. The guy that I was talking to last time when I was here, he was following it in the opposite direction to where we're walking now. So he'd come from Brighouse and all the way up here. So we're going to very carefully step over. Oop. He says nearly slipping. That were close. Yeah, that's one thing you've got to be aware of at this time of year, is there is a lot of slippage around. So yeah, we're going to carry on straight down here. Yeah, that beautiful old house there, poking through the trees. I wonder if the farmers ever get meeped a little bit with folk trudging through their land, but it is public access, so sucks to be you, right? Oh yeah, I can already see it going a lot better than before. So I hope everybody's doing well, getting ready for Christmas and all that jazz. It's only a few weeks away now, and then we can get Christmas over and done with and get back to normality. whatever normality is, get back to your normality. Yeah. Right. Whoa. Wow. Very slippy. I'm not so much bothered about me falling over and cracking my backside bone so much as I am worried about dropping my camera. Wow. Righty. Have a look at this. So when I came here last time, I filmed this and then ended the video, and like I said before, I got comments saying that's not even the waterfall, you ninny, you need to go find the big one. So that is exactly what we're going to do, or attempt to do. I should have read the comments a little bit better. Wow. Look at this. It's absolutely stunning. Even the small one's impressive. What a sound. What an absolute amazing sound. So the little wooden bridge, we cross over the bridge. Let's go have a mooch up here. See what's up these old slab steps. Whoa. Very, very slippy. Very slippy. So if you do come here this time of year, just be super careful. Let somebody know where you're going. So then if you're gone for an extended period of time, there's a good chance if you do get into a bit of trouble, somebody will come and find you. Which is always a good idea. This is all part of the Calder Way. Look at this. Beautiful woodlands all around. Absolutely stunning. Right, so we'll carry on up here. See, look at this, Steve. Even the footpaths are mountains in West Yorkshire. West is best. Oh, nearly there. Through the little gate. Wow. Farm. Yeah. You get down to Norwood Green. Oh, huffing and puffing already. Wow. Right, so we go down this little track here, down the side of the farm. Always make sure when you're going through these sort of places. Always make sure to close the gate. See somebody's advert on the gate. That's what I should do with some cards. Just staple them to the fence post. Your Yorkshire Walker was here. Make a mental note of that one, Jamie. Mental note. Ooh. Little gate for midgets back there. Wow, so peaceful. And there's a dog barking, but that's what dogs do, isn't it? Especially around here, protecting their land. I know when me and Donovan, Angling Giant, when we went for the walk around Allen Brickworks, make sure you check that video out as well, that one's a real good one. We came up and we went back through Beacon Hill. Now at the top, just before you get to the beacon, there's a farm, and there was a little dog that came running out, warning us off its land. But it didn't come across the little gatepost thing though. It didn't come out of its own thing. It was like, don't worry, we're not going to be stepping in your land, lads, you're alright. Right, so it looks like there is another access piece here that goes up through the farmland. That'll be, because I came the original way that I did, but the person that left the comment on YouTube did tell me about another way where you can go down the right hand side of the farm. And yeah, here we go. This is a bit of a clue. Waterfall. Can you see that? Oops. And also, so far today, on this video, I haven't made any mistakes. I came out with my walking boots. I've even remembered to set my watch. Something squiff is going on. Let's go have a look down here. Now somebody has very kindly nailed some stuff to some trees that says waterfall. So I'm beginning to think that this could possibly be where we want to be. We come down this nice little lovely clear stream. Got to be very careful now because it is very muddy and saw that sound. And here we go. Halicki. Ooh, don't fall down there. and there she is. Let's go down and get a bit of a better look. Yeah, so just be very mindful if you come here, because it is quite a ways down. There is some nice little sheer drops. Yeah, it's rather muddy, rather slippy, but don't let that put you off though. And here she is. Oh my goodness me, I can't believe I missed this. Cannot believe I missed this. Well, to be honest, I can believe that I missed it because, well, it's Jamie. Listen to that. Very carefully mooched down the side here. Rather sketch. Somebody's even built a little viewing platform here, look. Absolutely stunning. There's no other words to describe it. Thank you very much for the people that left comments on the original saying that I'd missed this, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be seeing this, and whoever else watches the video that hasn't seen it for themselves wouldn't be seeing this. That, my friends, that is Halicki Waterfall. Halicki, let me know if I'm saying it wrong, because I'm probably saying that wrong too. Let me just turn that off a minute. That is the waterfall. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Well, you don't need to see me walking back up and back round, because we've done that bit before. So I'll leave it there for today, for this video. Let me just whoops, I will figure this out one day. Let's get the water in the background while we sign off. So yeah, I might actually stay here for a minute or two and just admire that, because that is beautiful. So yeah, for now, my name's Jamie. That's Halicki Waterfall. I'm your Yorkshire walker, and I'm out. Peace. Wow.